Right, listen up. The world is volatile, teetering on a knife's edge. If World War III breaks out, would you be ready? When the sirens wail and the screens go dark, panic is your greatest enemy. Preparation is your only ally. This isn't about fear, it's about protecting yourself and your loved ones when everything falls apart. In this video, we'll show you exactly what to pack in your WW3 survival kit. I've survived the world's harshest environments, and the principles are universal, urban or wild. We'll break down the essential gear, life-saving supplies, and critical knowledge you need. The time for complacency is over. The moment to act is now. Let's get to it. Let's start with the absolute fundamentals: food and water. These are the building blocks of survival, the essential resources that will keep you going when everything else falls apart. Neglecting these basics is like setting yourself up for failure before you even begin. Without them, you're on a countdown to disaster. Every hour without sustenance or hydration chips away at your strength, your focus, and your will to survive. The clock is ticking from the moment the crisis hits. Stock up on non-perishable, high-calorie foods. Freeze-dried meals are an excellent choice because they're lightweight, easy to store, and have a long shelf life. They provide a concentrated source of energy when you need it most. MREs, or meals ready to eat, are another reliable option. Designed for military use, they're durable, self-contained, and require no cooking. Don't forget about staples like protein bars, rice, beans, and oats. These provide a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, ensuring you have sustained energy over the long haul. Aim for at least 2,000 calories per person per day. This is a baseline to maintain energy levels and physical function under stressful conditions. Adjust upwards based on activity level and individual needs. Water is even more critical. It's the lifeblood of survival, essential for every bodily function. You can survive weeks without food, but only days without water. Dehydration can quickly lead to fatigue, confusion, and ultimately death. Bottled water is a short-term fix, providing an immediate supply. You need purification. A portable filter, like LifeStraw, is crucial for accessing water from natural sources like rivers and lakes. Purification tablets offer a chemical method for disinfecting water, killing harmful bacteria and viruses, and the ability to boil water. Boiling is a simple yet effective way to eliminate pathogens, making water safe to drink. Collapsible bladders and sturdy canteens are essential. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. This allows for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. Boiling is the most reliable purification. Bring a metal pot or canteen cup. Metal is ideal as it can withstand direct heat without melting or releasing harmful chemicals. Don't forget water for rehydrating meals and basic hygiene. These are often overlooked but crucial for maintaining morale and preventing illness. Redundancy is key. Have multiple purification methods. If one fails, you have backups to ensure a continuous supply of safe drinking water. Recap stock high-energy food, focusing on non-perishable items that will provide sustained energy. Prioritize water purification, ensuring you have multiple methods to access and treat water from various sources. Secure storage containers. Protect your supplies from pests, moisture, and extreme temperatures to maximize their shelf life. Get this right, and you've built the foundation of your survival strategy. Food and water are not just items on a checklist, they are the fuel that will power your resilience. Without fuel, the engine stops. It's as simple and as brutal as that. Your body is the engine, and food and water are the fuel. Don't underestimate the basics, your life depends on them. They are the bedrock upon which all other survival skills and strategies are built. Move fast, stock up now. Time is of the essence. The sooner you prepare, the better your chances of weathering any storm. Next up, medical supplies. This is a critical component of your preparedness plan. In a world without doctors, you are the first responder. You are the immediate line of defense against injury and illness. Your actions in those first few minutes can dramatically impact the outcome. Every cut or illness can become life-threatening. What might seem minor under normal circumstances can quickly escalate when access to medical care is limited or non-existent. Your medical kit is your portable emergency room. Know how to use it. It's not just about having the supplies, it's about knowing how to effectively deploy them in a stressful situation. Start with a solid first aid kit: bandages, gauze, tape. These are the fundamental tools for wound care, immobilization, and creating barriers against infection. Ensure you have a variety of sizes and types to address different injuries: antiseptic and antibiotic ointment. Preventing infection is paramount. Clean wounds thoroughly and apply topical antibiotics to minimize the risk of complications. Add trauma gear tourniquet. This is a critical life-saving device for severe bleeding. Hemostatic agents, chest seals, pressure dressings. These advanced tools can help control bleeding and stabilize chest injuries, giving you precious time to manage critical situations. Know how to use a tourniquet? Practice now. Incorrect application can cause serious harm. Familiarize yourself with the proper techniques and practice on training devices. Stock prescription meds for at least 3 months, plus painkillers. Maintaining access to essential medications is crucial for managing chronic conditions and alleviating pain. Antidiarrheals, antihistamines, and rehydration salts. These over-the-counter medications can address common ailments and prevent dehydration, which can be particularly dangerous in survival situations. Include a SAM splint, burn gel, and a digital thermometer. These tools will allow you to stabilize fractures, treat burns, and monitor body temperature, providing essential information for diagnosis and treatment. Knowledge is vital. Take a first aid course, read a manual, and practice. Understanding basic anatomy, physiology, and first aid techniques will empower you to make informed decisions and provide effective care. Organize your kit for quick access, group items by function. When seconds count, you don't want to be fumbling around searching for the right supplies. A well-organized kit saves time and reduces stress. Check and rotate supplies every 6 months. Your medical kit is a living system. Treat it with respect. Medications expire, bandages degrade, and batteries die. Regular maintenance ensures your kit is always ready for action. In a crisis, your confidence in training will save lives. Don't skimp on this. Your life may depend on it. The more prepared you are, the better equipped you'll be to handle whatever challenges come your way. Be your own medic. Prepare, train, and stay sharp. Your ability to provide medical care could be the difference between life and death for yourself or someone else. When help is gone, you are the help. Make every second count. Your decisive actions and medical knowledge can significantly improve the chances of survival. Survival is in your hands. Take control of your health and well-being by investing in a comprehensive medical kit and the knowledge to use it effectively. Now let's address the invisible threats that can linger long after any initial disaster: radiation and chemicals. These silent killers demand respect and preparation. Nuclear fallout with its radioactive particles and insidious chemical agents can kill or cause long-term health problems long after the initial blast or release. The immediate aftermath is dangerous, but the lingering effects can be just as devastating. Your first line of defense against these invisible enemies is time, distance, putting as much space as possible between you and the source of contamination. And finally, shielding, creating a physical barrier to reduce your exposure. Get away from the immediate danger zone, get inside a sturdy structure and seal your shelter as effectively as possible. Every minute counts. Use plastic sheeting, a readily available and versatile tool, and reliable duct tape to block contaminated dust and particles from entering your safe space. Seal every crack and crevice. Potassium iodide, Ki, tablets are crucial for protecting your thyroid from radioactive iodine, a common byproduct of nuclear events. For maximum effectiveness, take them before or as soon as possible right after exposure. Consult guidelines for proper dosage. Personal protective equipment is absolutely essential for survival. At a minimum, a full-face respirator equipped with a CBRN, chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear filter, is vital. Ideally, you'll also have a sealed suit with integrated gloves and boot covers to prevent any skin exposure. Practice putting on your mask quickly and correctly. Seconds can matter in a contaminated environment. Familiarize yourself with the proper fit and seal. For detection and monitoring, acquire a Geiger counter or a personal dosimeter to accurately measure radiation levels and your cumulative exposure. Decontaminate yourself thoroughly before re-entering your shelter to avoid bringing contaminants inside. And critically, know your gear, read the manuals, understand their limitations, and check expiration dates regularly. This isn't a Hollywood movie. Train for the real-world scenarios you might face. Conduct drills and practice your procedures. Facing an invisible enemy like radiation or chemical agents is understandably terrifying, but thorough preparation gives you a fighting chance. Don't underestimate or ignore this potential threat. Equip yourself with the necessary tools, train diligently in their use, and stay vigilant about potential threats. Your life and the lives of your loved ones may very well depend on it. Be ready for the unseen dangers that could suddenly emerge. Knowledge, preparation, and the right gear are your most effective shield against these silent killers. When the grid goes down, information is survival. No internet, no phones, don't be left in the dark. Get a multi-band emergency radio, AM, FM, and shortwave. It's your link to the outside world. Choose radios with multiple power options. Hand crank, solar, batteries. For local comms, use two-way radios or walkie-talkies. For long range, consider a ham radio. Get licensed and learn the basics. Satellite messengers or phones are the ultimate backup, but pricey. Don't neglect low-tech signal mirrors, whistles, and bright panels can save your life. Learn radio etiquette and the phonetic alphabet for clear communication. Your comms gear turns isolation into coordination. It provides intelligence, boosts morale, and lets you call for help. In a silent world, the one who can listen and speak has the edge. Make sure that's you. Stay connected, stay informed. Don't let fear fill the void. Own your information. Communication is your lifeline. When the grid fails, darkness takes over. Power and light are security, safety, and morale. Build a small sustainable power setup, portable solar panels and a power bank. Recharge essentials, radios, lights, phones. Stockpile rechargeable batteries and a quality charger. For lighting, redundancy is key. LED headlamps, hands-free, flashlights and lanterns. Choose durable, water-resistant models with multiple settings. Supplement with candles or oil lamps. Use with caution. Manage your power, charge only when needed, develop a power budget. In a crisis, electricity is more valuable than gold. Learn to generate, store, and ration it. Light deters threats and keeps you functional. Don't let darkness win. Prepare your power now. Your survival depends on it. Illuminate your world. Your clothing and shelter are your fortress against the elements. Exposure kills faster than hunger. Protect your core temperature. Use a layering system, moisture-wicking base, insulating mid-layer, waterproof shell. Avoid cotton, choose wool or synthetics. Keep extremities warm. Wool socks, hat, gloves, sturdy boots. For shelter, a quality tent or a tarp and bivy sack combo is essential. Your sleep system matters. A cold-rated sleeping bag and insulated pad. Choose campsites wisely, avoid low ground and dead branches. Shelter is more than a roof, it's your recovery zone. Maintain your gear and know how to set up fast. Dry, warm, and safe, these are your priorities. Don't overlook the basics. Your life depends on them. Respect your gear, and it will protect you. Every night rebuild your strength. Shelter and clothing are your first defense. Master them. Stay dry, stay warm, stay alive. The elements are relentless. Be ready. In a lawless world, you are your own protector. Desperate people will target the prepared. Deterrence is key. Your mind is your best weapon. Situational awareness trumps brute force. Avoid conflict when possible. The best fight is the one you never have. If armed, train relentlessly. Firearms are a responsibility, not a guarantee. Layer your defense knife, pepper spray, sturdy flashlight, or walking stick. Fortify your shelter. Reinforce doors, set up alarms, and create obstacles. Non-lethal deterrence, lights, dogs, visible security can turn threats away. Blend in, don't advertise your supplies. The gray man stays unnoticed and safe. Self-defense is a mindset. Calm, disciplined, and prepared. Know your limits and when to use force. Everyone in your group should know their role in a threat. Protect what's yours, but don't become a target. Survival isn't about aggression, it's about making it through the night. Train, plan, and stay vigilant. Your safety is in your hands. When crisis hits, do you stay or go? This is the bug-in versus bug-out dilemma. Bugging in is preferred if your home is safe. More supplies, better shelter, and security. But if your location becomes dangerous, you must be ready to leave. Don't wait too long. Have clear triggers for evacuation. Your bug-out bag, Bob, is your lifeline. Pack light, only essentials for 72 hours. Practice carrying your bag, adjust as needed. Plan multiple escape routes and a safe destination. Prepare both options, a fortified home and a ready-to-go Bob. Don't let normalcy bias trap you, act decisively. Flexibility is survival. Know when to stay, when to go, prepare for both. Your decision could mean life or death. Be ready for either path. Gear and skills matter, but mindset is everything. The will to survive is your greatest tool. Cultivate it now. Stay calm, panic kills. Preparation and practice build confidence. Adaptability is key. No plan survives reality. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Discipline keeps you moving. Set routines, assign roles, maintain hygiene. Find your why. A purpose bigger than comfort fuels endurance. Physical fitness supports mental strength. Train your body for the demands ahead. Read, learn, and draw inspiration from survivors. Survival is about who you become when everything is on the line. Train your mind as hard as your body. Embrace challenges as puzzles, not roadblocks. Build resilience through routine and purpose. Your mindset is your shield against despair. Stay focused, stay driven. The right mindset turns chaos into opportunity. Prepare your mind, your life depends on it. Be the calm in the storm. Survival starts within. That's your World War III Survival Kit Essentials. This isn't about fear, it's about taking control. The knowledge and gear we covered are your insurance in a world with no guarantees. Don't just watch, act. Start small. Pick one area, master it, then move to the next. Every step makes you and your family safer. The journey to preparedness starts now. Build your kit, your life could depend on it. Stay resilient, stay prepared, and stay safe. Subscribe for more survival tips. Your future self will thank you.